Hi guys, today we're making a video that says Love A and G. Yesterday was our mom's birthday, but we didn't have enough time because we went somewhere for the dinner. So now today we made it. So we're gonna go to the L. No. Gotta go like this. And then the O goes around. And then the O is a little bit harder. The V gotta be right. V and the E, which is E. Oh no, I don't look. Wait. Gotta make it wait. The E and that's R. And then this one has a G. And this is mine. I'm gonna put it. I shouldn't do that. G, and these ones are just extra. I gotta put this one, A, and then I need those extras. And a T. Oh, you need the extra? Yeah, just there we go. And you see